All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2018 Ford Explorer 3.5 Ecoboost engine, all-wheel drive with 136,000 miles, former Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle. That is correct, folks. Former Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle, fully done, fully serviced, very well taken care of, and road ready to go to her new home. Original navy blue from factory. This is not a repaint, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Once again, this is not a repaint. However, my detail crew did an amazing job bringing this bad boy back to life. The paint looks great. Very minimal amount of scratches. No door dings. And folks, this vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Let me tell you, there's something about the Nevada Highway Patrol vehicles that they just feel different. Let me stop right here. Our vehicle does have a window tint from the department. It's a light shade so you can see right through. It doesn't bother you when you're driving at night. Perfect color combination for this unit. Folks, the whole vehicle has been completely reconditioned. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title. Reconditioned meaning that I pretty much rebuilt the car back to its original look from when the vehicle was in service, minus the lights or the decals. This vehicle does not have working emergency lights. It's all stock. Vehicle does have working backup sensors and backup camera. Vehicle also has working blind spot sensors, cross traffic sensors as well in the front. Once again, this is going to be an EcoBoost engine right there, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced. It took me about 2 months to get this vehicle ready, working in between other vehicles, but I kept finding little things here and there that I wasn't happy with. And if you guys know me any better, you know I just gotta have it perfect. So I stuck with the vehicle, kept driving it, kept finding little things here and there, and I kept replacing and fixing whatever I did not like. Nothing big, nothing major. Just me being very particular on how I wanted this vehicle to look, pretty much. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have a brand new set of Goodyear Eagles RSAs. When I first got the car in, the tires were in bad shape, and yes, they were replaced with the 245/55/18s Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Also, the vehicle does have brand new Motorcraft rear brakes and rotors. Vehicle does have 4 holes on the roof. Let me backtrack here. I do apologize. I got a lot of ground to cover, folks. I might step it up. Once again, 4 holes on the roof where the actual antennas are. And folks, I can't emphasize this enough. I wanted to give this vehicle its original look from when it was out there in patrol. So even the antennas are the original look from what I was able to see online and the vehicles out there in Nevada. The vehicle does have a semi-new set of spotlight assembly with new LED bulbs. So the whole assembly is new use. You guys can look at the housing, semi-new, with new bulb, folks. For those of you guys that track my work, you guys do know that I don't play around. If I'm gonna go all in, I'm gonna go all in regardless. Okay, so there you go. I took care of you. Let me clean this up here real quick. Vehicle does have a nice set of clean and clear headlights in the front. Those are gonna be the HID from factory, so they are pretty bright at night. Also, I did have a Cetina Nevada Highway Patrol push bar reinstalled on the vehicle, and I was able to find one of these push bars through one of my sources out there. Ryan Lunch, thank you very much for providing me with a complete push bar on this unit. I told you I wanted to give her the original look, and you had it. Also, the bumper covers right here, they were replaced. You should have seen this vehicle when she first came in, folks. You probably would have run away. All right, let's go inside real quick, show you what we got to work with. If I do fall behind, folks, I'm gonna mention everything I need to mention in my eBay ad. All right, folks, here we go. We got a full matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeted floors with matching floor mats. No rips, no tears on the floor, on the carpet. All 4 door panels are in mint condition, not beat up, not full of holes, not broken. Electric seats. Vehicle does have aftermarket center console, which I did have installed in there. Vehicle does have 4 keys, 4 fobs. Honk works. Vehicle does have working cruise control. Vehicle does have working secure idle, which is right here. Vehicle, the air conditioner does work, and I do have dual AC air conditioner on this one, so it's got front and rear. They all work. Let's get inside. This is all original from the department. I'm surprised to have gotten 4 keys and 4 fobs. I'll be lucky to get 1. All right, let's clean this up real quick here for you guys, so you guys can see what I got to work with here. Let me get closer there. There you go. Great, come on, come on, come on. Okay, folks, vehicle does have 136,000 miles with 3,562 idle hours. All right, I don't want to get too close because it's gonna go blurry. To work, reverse camera does work, and it does come up here on the rearview mirror on this one. Okay. Red LED, white LED. I also do have one in the back. It does work as well, folks. Let me go back there real quick. Whoa, I almost crashed there. Oh my goodness, Mario, come on, get it together. Excuse the bloopers, folks. Excuse the bloopers. I'm trying to be a professional, but sometimes it gets hard. All right, so here we go. Red LED, white LED. Vehicle is complete. Full spare tire in place. All right. 7 minutes. All right. All right, so remember I told you the vehicle does have working dual AC, so everything does work. So you have cold air conditioner in the front and also in the back, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. And folks, once again, I'm setting you up for success on another great looking Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle here, folks. Secure idle. You press it, you're gonna see the green icon right there on the dash. You guys see that right there? That is a factory thing. So put the key back in, and there you go. It turns off, and you can turn the car off. All right, but let's go ahead and fire her up, because I gotta show you the engine. I got too much to do. What else? Vehicle does have working Bluetooth. So you can go ahead and connect your phone with no issue, and I'm gonna lose battery right now. Great, folks, I'm a mess today. One hand, excuse me. All right, here we go. This is the engine. Starting right to left. New air filter, throttle body was serviced and cleaned out, which is right here. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, for synthetic 520 oil services. Transmission was also serviced, and I did use Motorcraft LV on this one. Vehicle also does have a brand new drive belt and tensioner. Cabin filter is new as well. I also have, like I mentioned earlier, vehicle does have new rear brakes and rotors. I'm losing battery, folks, so I might lose you soon here. I apologize. Suspension is nice and tight, folks. I also did replace the rear charcoal canister box that goes on the back of the vehicle next to the fuel tank. EVAP. It was throwing me an EVAP code. And also, lastly, I did replace the battery, which was purchased at Costco. I do have the receipt, buyer takes all, and the alternator was replaced. Why? Because the vehicle had a charging system issue. The alternator was going faulty. It was draining my battery. So if I know any better about vehicles, I replace both at the same time. I'm not gonna take any chances. So yes, new OEM alternator, new interstate battery. Purchased at Costco, the battery. All right, am I forgetting anything else? One last final look here. One hand, folks, I'm sorry. Vehicle does have some minor little sun damage in the hood. The little white hairline cracks. Nothing big or major to worry about, but it's my job to let you know that they are there. It's very minimal, but they are there, folks, okay? I thought about getting the hood painted, but I'd rather put everything in the powertrain, and I know I can live with a hood with a little bit of sun damage. And I got a little mishap here. This is how the vehicle came to me with. Something hit it, and it's got a WeatherTech wind deflector here. I think that's what it is. All right, folks, one last final look, and I do apologize for not being professional with all these bloopers that I just had. One last final look at this 2018 Ford Explorer Nevada Highway Patrol vehicle. 3.5 Ecoboost engine. The lights in the push bar, let me tell you, they do work. They are red and blue, however, they are not connected. Be advised, they do work, but they are not connected. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you, and hopefully I can get you behind the wheel of this beautiful vehicle. Thanks for watching. God bless and take care, folks.